This video will show you how to use Microsoft Stream to create captions for your videos. Stream's video settings allow you to generate captions that can be downloaded as a VTT file to then be used with web courses at UCF or YouTube. Stream is a tool faculty already have access to through their UCF Microsoft 365 account. To use Stream, sign into Microsoft with your NID and password at Microsoft365.com or through OneDrive online. To begin, locate or upload your video file. Then click the video's name. Please note, you must have editing rights to the file to create captions. The video will open in Stream. Select Video Settings in the right side menu. Click on the drop-down arrow for Transcript and Captions. Click Generate and then select the language for your captions to be created. A time remaining display will appear. Depending on the length of the video, captions may take several minutes to generate. Once the captions are generated, click on Transcript in the right side menu to check your captions. Stream generates captions using speech recognition technology, but is not 100% accurate due to mispronunciations, complex terms, or dialects. Please double-check your captions and make any edits by clicking in the section that needs to be changed, then click Edit. When you have completed your edits, click Done to save your changes. Next, select Download to choose your file type. If you plan to use this file to upload to web courses at UCF or another option like YouTube, select VTT file to download a caption file with timings. Using Stream's transcript and caption tool is one of many options you have to produce captions for your videos that meet UCF's accessibility policy standards. If you need more assistance with captioning videos, you can visit the Faculty Multimedia Center on campus or online at cdl.ucf.edu/FMC.